Now that we've discovered where these strings are in these numeric columns, we can convert them to numeric. Here is the tail of the data frame just to show you that there is this string over here. Now there could be other strings in the data set. This is the one that we found. And let's just say we want to convert this to a missing value instead of having privacy suppressed. It does have some information here, but just to if we convert it to a missing value, then we can actually change these to a float column, which might be more helpful in terms of processing it. Right now, we can't take the mean of this or median or any of these numeric aggregations. Same thing for this one as well. So let's go ahead and see how we do this. And to do that, we use the toNumeric function, and then we pass in the column that we want, like this. And if we try this like this, this will only work if all of them are, numeric strings, but we have to set this errors parameter to coerce, which will force it to be missing. So the way to complete this is to overwrite our column like this, and actually this column as well has that same issue with the privacy suppressed. And now if we look at college.d types, you can see that they are floats, and now we can do numeric operations on them. Another way of doing this is you can use the replace method to replace it with a missing value and then to convert the columns to float after that. But this is one way with the toNumeric function. Unfortunately, you can only do one series at a time here. That's why they call it twice. It's not like we can't pass two in here, or else that would be a little bit more direct.